Hello guys and welcome to Setting Up WordPress. In today's video we will learn how to set up SSL certificate in SiteGround. If you want to learn how to install WordPress, then don't forget to watch our previous video. The link will be provided in the video description below. So let's get started. First of all, log in into SiteGround, then click on websites. Then here it says website details, simply click on site tools. Then click on security, SSL manager, and under install here you can see that Let's Encrypt is already installed. This means that our website already has SSL certificate. But when I go to my website, you can see that it says not square. So all I need to do is simply go to dashboard, plugins, add new, and search simple SSL. And this plugin shows up, which is really simple SSL. Simply click on install now, then click on activate, then click go ahead activate SSL. It will ask you to log in again, so simply log in. And here you can see that SSL is enabled on your site. So now let me visit my website again, and you can see that my site has lock symbol, which means it is fully secured. So that's how easy it is to add SSL certificate on SiteGround. If you have any question, please comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.